Welcome to the English test. A1 and A2.
Number of questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. Please pause the video if the time is not enough for you.
They were speaking very fast. I couldn't understand anything at all. Julia is thinking about leaving her husband and starting a new life. The water was dirty, so we didn't go swimming. Is Richard here? No, he went home 5 minutes ago.
Marian and I are good friends. We've been friends for 10 years. Is Mary still here, or has she already left? Would you like to go out for a walk? Not now, thanks. Perhaps later.
I smell smoke in here. What is burning? When I'm driving to work, I listen to the news on the radio. She's studying English literature at Cambridge University. I've had a terrible headache since I got up this morning. There wasn't anybody to help me. I was alone. John doesn't know as many people as you. She's nervous because she has never ridden a horse before.
When you're putting petrol in your car, you mustn't smoke. There might be an explosion. Why hasn't Helen telephoned? Well, she might not have our number. Jeff went to Egypt for a holiday, but he is back in England now.
That boy is wearing wet clothes. He should take them off and put on something dry. I lent him some money, and he gave it back to me last week. I want to keep this magazine. Don't throw it away. English test. A2. Do you know when the plane arrives in London? Yes, it lands at Heathrow at 8:15. He wasn't driving very fast when the accident happened, but he was using his cell phone.
The letter was posted a week ago, and it arrived yesterday.
I asked 2 people the way to the station, but neither of them could help me. Have a nice holiday. Thank you. I'll send you a postcard. I have an appointment with my bank manager. It's really important, so I mustn't be late.
Why don't you go and see your grandmother? She would be very happy. I think that everybody should take a little exercise from time to time. How far is it from here to the beach? About 500 meters. Mr. Carrington is in his office. He has been there since 7 o'clock this morning.